Hello everyone, welcome to maths classes. Today let's solve the problem 1 in exercise 4.1 quadratic equations, class 10 NCERT maths. The concept is verify if the equation is quadratic equation. Let's understand the concept first before starting problems. When can you tell an equation as quadratic equation? You can tell based on degree. Check the degree and based on that you can tell whether the equation is quadratic or not. Degree is what? Degree is the highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable. So based on this degree you can tell whether the equation is quadratic or not. X square minus x cube plus x is equal to 0. Let us think this is an equation. What is the degree of this equation? Degree is highest power. The variable you have here is x. In x square the power is 2. In x cube power is 3. In x power is 1. So highest number is what? 3. So degree will be 3. So if degree is 3, the equation is called what? Cubic equation. So based on the degree also you can tell type of equation. If degree is 1, it is called linear equation. If degree is 2, the equation is called as quadratic equation. If degree is 3, equation is called as cubic equation. So this is one method to find the type of equation. What is the other method? General form of quadratic equation. General form of quadratic equation. The general form of quadratic equation is what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. This is the general form of quadratic equation. If the equation is in this form, you can tell that equation is quadratic equation. 2x square plus 3x is equal to 0. If you compare this with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, you got a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 0. Here they are telling only one condition. A should not be equal to 0. B can be 0. C can be 0. So this equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this equation is quadratic equation. See why they are telling only this condition A not equal to 0. Let's see. If A is equal to 0. If A is equal to 0, the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 will become what? Here a is 0. So it will become 0 into x square is 0 plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That means the equation will become bx plus c is equal to 0. Here if you check the degree. Degree is what? Highest power of variable. Here the highest power of x is 1. So the equation will become linear equation. That is why they put a condition for general form of quadratic equation as a not equal to 0. If a will become 0, equation will become linear equation. So the condition we should check is for quadratic equation a should not be equal to 0. What will happen if b is equal to 0? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is general form. Here if suppose b is equal to 0, what will equation become? Ax square plus 0 into x plus c is equal to 0. Ax square 0 into x is 0. So x square plus c is equal to 0. Still if you check, we already know that if degree is 2, it is quadratic equation. So here also degree is 2. So it is quadratic equation. So if b is equal to 0 also, there is no problem. Only a should not be equal to 0. Similarly, if c is equal to 0 also, still the equation will remain as quadratic equation. Let's see. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form. Let's substitute c as 0. What you will get? Plus 0. That means the equation will remain as what? Ax square plus c bx is equal to 0. If you check here also, degree is 2. That means now also the equation is quadratic. So b can be 0, c can be 0, but a should never become 0. This is the general form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If the equation is in this form where a not equal to 0, you can tell that the equation is quadratic. This is the second method of checking. Now let's solve the problems. First problem, check whether the following equations are quadratic equation. First equation given is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. X plus 1 whole square. This is in the form of what? A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, we already know that. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here in this question, a is equal to x, b is equal to 1. Question is x plus 1 whole square. So a is equal to x, b is equal to 1. Let's see. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A square, that means x square plus 2ab, that means 2 into x plus 1 plus b square, that means 1 square, that is equal to 2 into x is 2x, plus into minus is minus, 2 into 3 is 6. So x square plus 2x, x into 1 is x, 1 square is nothing but 1, is equal to 2x minus 6. 2x is common on both sides, so it's get cancelled. X square plus 1 is equal to minus 6. X square is plus 1. Minus 6, if it comes to left side, it will become plus 6. So the equation will be in the form of x square plus 7 is equal to 0. Now we should check whether this is quadratic or not. What is the general form of quadratic equation? General form of quadratic equation is what? Quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A should not be equal to 0. Let's see. The equation we got here is x square plus 7 is equal to 0. Here you got a is equal to 1. Compare this equation and this general form. You got a is equal to 1. Bx, here there is no x term. So b will be 0. C is equal to 7. This x square plus 7 can be written as x square plus 0 into x plus 7 is equal to 0. So equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here you got a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 7. B can be 0. Only a should not be equal to 0. So the given equation is quadratic. Given equation is quadratic equation. This is the way to solve. Second problem. X square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Minus into minus is plus. 2 into x is 2x. So let's get all the terms left side. X square minus 2x. This minus 6. If it comes to left side, it will become plus 6 plus 2x. If it come to left side, it will become minus 2x. X square minus 2x minus 2x. It will become minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. Next, we should check whether it is quadratic or not. General form of quadratic equation is what? General form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and a should not be equal to 0. Let's compare our result with the general form. You got x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the result. Compare ax square plus bx plus C is equal to 0. You got A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 4, C is equal to 6. So the equation is quadratic equation. The given equation is quadratic equation. Next question. X minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. So let's multiply first with x. X into x is x square. Next x into 1. Plus into plus plus. You get x. Next minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Next this is completed. Next minus into plus. Minus 2 into 1 is 2. Similarly, let's multiply with x first. X into x is x square, plus into plus plus, x into 3 is 3x. Now let's multiply with the second term. Minus into plus is minus, 1 into x is x, minus into plus is minus, 1 into 3 is 3. Now on left and both left hand side and right hand side you have x square. So x square gets cancelled. Now x minus 2x is minus x, minus 2 is equal to 3x minus x is 2x minus 3. Let's get all the terms to left side. Minus x here as it is, this 2x, if it comes to left side it will become minus 2x, minus 2 as it is here, and then minus 3 it is on right side, if it comes to left side it will become plus 3. So minus x minus 2x will get minus 3x, minus 2 plus 3 is plus 1 is equal to 0. We are able to solve this equation now. Now let's compare with general form of quadratic equation. What is general form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The result you got is minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. That means there is no x square term. So you should write 0 into x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here in the general form of quadratic equation, you know that a should never be equal to 0. If you compare our result, you get a is equal to 0, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 1. So, in our result, you got a is equal to 0. For quadratic equation, a should never be equal to 0. So, the given equation is not quadratic equation. The given equation is not quadratic equation because you got a is equal to 0. In quadratic equation, a will not be equal to 0. You got a is equal to 0, so the equation is not quadratic equation. Next question. X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 5. First multiply with first term x into 2x. Again x into 1. X into 2x is 2x square plus into plus plus x into 1 is x. Next multiply with minus 3. Minus 3 into 2x. Minus 3 into 1. Minus 3 into 2x you get minus into plus is minus 3 into 2 is 6. 6x minus into plus is minus 3 into 1 is 3. Next x into x. X square plus into plus is plus. Now you get x into 5, 5x. Let's get all the terms on right side to left side. Here 2x square, let's write as it is. Here you have x square term. On right side, if it comes to left side, it will become minus x square plus x minus 6x. It will become minus 5x. This 5x on right side, if it will come to left side, it will become minus 5x. Next minus 3 as it is. This is equal to 0. 2x square minus x square is x square. Minus 5x minus 10x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now check if it is quadratic or not. General form. What is general form of quadratic equation? General form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The condition is a should not be equal to 0. If you compare The result you will get A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 10, C is equal to minus 3. So, the equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, this given equation is quadratic equation. Next question. 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 into x minus 1. First multiply with first term 2x into x, 2x into 3. 2x into x is 2x square plus 2 plus 2x plus into minus. You have minus here is minus 2x into 3 is 6x. Next minus 1 into x minus into plus is minus 6. Next minus 1 into minus 3, minus into minus plus 1 into 3 is 3. Similarly here first multiply with x. X into x is x square. Next plus into minus. Minus x into 1 is x. Next 5. Multiply. Plus into plus plus 5 into x is 5x. Plus into minus is minus 5 into 1 is 5. Now let's get all terms to one side. Here you have 2x square as it is. This x square on right side, if it comes to left side, it will become minus x square. Minus 6x minus x, it will become minus 7x. Here you got what? Minus x plus 5x. This is what minus x plus 5x is? Plus 4x. If it comes to left side, it will become minus 4x. Here you have plus 3. And this term on right side is minus 5. If it comes to left side, it will become plus 5. Next, 2x square minus x square is x square. Minus 7x minus 4x is minus 11x. 5 plus 3 is plus 3 plus 5. It is plus 8. We have solved the equation. Now, to check if it is quadratic or not, you should compare with general form of quadratic equation. General form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And a should not be equal to 0. This is the condition. If you compare our result with this general form, you get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 11, c is equal to 8. So, a is not equal to 0 in the result also. So, the given equation is quadratic equation. Next question. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. X minus 2 whole square, it is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here you have a is equal to x, b is equal to 2. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to a square, that means x square minus 2ab. A is x, b is 2 plus b square, that is 2 square. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x square. 2 2s are 4. So 4x plus 4. X square on left side, x square on right side. So they get cancelled. 3x you have on left side. This minus 4x, if it comes to left side, it will become plus 4x. Here you have plus 1. Plus 1, this plus 4, it is on right side of the equation. If it comes to left side, it will become minus 4. 3x plus 7x, 6. 3x plus 4x is 7x. Minus 4 plus 1, you get minus 3. Now we solve the equation. Let's compare with general form of quadratic equation. What is the general form of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The condition you have is a should not be equal to 0. the result we got. Let's compare. You got what? 7x. That means there is no x square term. 0 into x square plus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. This is our result. So you got a is equal to 0, b is equal to 7, c is equal to minus 3. According to the general form, we know that for quadratic equation a should not be equal to 0. But in the result you got a is equal to 0. So given equation is not quadratic equation because you got a is equal to 0. Next question. X plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. We know the formula. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. The question given is x plus 2 whole cube. Let's solve this first. You got what? X is equal to, a is equal to x. If you compare with a plus b whole cube, a is equal to x, b is equal to 2a cube. That means x cube plus 3a square x square into b 2 plus 3ab square 3 into x, b is 2 square plus b cube. That means 2 cube. So x cube 3 2s are 6, 6x square plus here 2 square is 4, 4 into 3 12, 12x 2 cube 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So x plus 2 whole cube we got this. Let's substitute here. X cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 is equal to 2x into x square. You get 2x cube plus into minus is minus, 2x into 1 is 2x. Let's get all the terms on right side to left side. Here you have x cube right as it is. Here you have 2x cube. If it comes to left side it will become minus 2x cube. Next plus 6x square. Next plus 12x. This minus 2x is on right side. If it comes to left side it will become plus 2x. Next plus 8. So x cube minus 2x cube will get minus x cube plus 6x square. 12x plus 2x is 14x plus 8 is equal to 0. So directly you can tell that degree of this equation. Degree is the highest power of the variable. Here you have variable is x. Highest power is 3. That means it is cubic equation. So it is not quadratic equation. So based on degree you can tell it that way. Let's compare with general form. Another way to tell whether the equation is quadratic or not. General form of quadratic equation is what? General form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A should not be equal to 0. Here you have a is equal to 6, b is equal to 14, c is equal to 8. There is another term x cube, but in our general form there is no x cube. So the equation is not, so given equation is not quadratic equation. Reason is what? In result you have term x cube. You have term minus x cube, but in the general form there is no x cube term. So the equation is not quadratic equation. Next question. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. So a minus b whole cube is what? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Here the question given is what? X minus 2 whole cube. That means a is equal to x, b is equal to 2. Let's solve this first. A cube is x cube minus 3a square. That means x square. B is 2 plus 3ab square x. B square is 2 square minus b cube means 2 cube. So x cube minus 3 into 2 is 6, 6x square plus 2 2s are 4, 2 square is 4, 4 into 3, 12x, 2 cube, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So you got x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x cube minus 6x square, x minus 2 whole cube, already you solved this here, so let's write from there, plus 12x minus 8. X cube will get cancelled on both sides. On left side you have x cube, right side you have x cube, so it get cancelled. Let's get all the terms to left side. Minus 4x square here, minus 6x square, if it comes to left side it will become plus 6x square minus x, this plus 12x, if it comes to left side it will become minus 12x. Here you have plus 1 minus 8, if it comes to left side it will become plus 8 is equal to 0. Minus 4x square plus 6x square is plus 2x square minus x minus 12x is minus 13x plus 1 plus 8 is plus 9 is equal to 0. Now we have solved, so let's compare with general form of quadratic equation. General form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The condition is a should not be equal to 0. If you compare, we got a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 13, c is equal to 9. We did not get any extra term. We did not get any x cube, x power 4. Just you have 3 terms, 2x square minus 13x plus 9. A is not equal to 0. You got a is equal to 2. So the equation is, given equation is quadratic equation. Though you have x cube, cubic terms, x cube, x minus 2 whole cube, after we solved, you did not get an x cube. You got only x square, x and 9. So the equation is quadratic equation. Just by seeing the question, you should not tell this is cubic equation. In the question you have x cube here and you have x minus 2 whole cube here. So just by seeing those, you should not tell it is a cubic equation, it is not quadratic equation. You should not tell like that. You should solve the problem first. After solving, you will know. After solving, we got what? 2x square minus 13x plus 9. There is no x cube term at all. So first solve and then decide. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe.